First one didn't have a dot, without dot, and second one dot. Okay.
Okay.
When you see this letter without dot, like without dot, so we call this one is sod.
Da.
Sod.
Sword.
Yes.
Sword.
Sod. And when you see
Sword.
same shape but with dot, we call zod.
Sword.
Sod.
Sword.
No, 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 no. Sod without dot.
Sword.
Sod. Yes. And with dot,
Sword.
zod.
Sword. Sword.
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
Sod. Sod, Aida. Without
Sword.
dot, sod. Yes. And with dot, zod.
Sword.
Okay. Without dot, sod.
Sword.
Sod.
Sword.
Aida. Without dot, sod.
Yes.
Without dot.
Just because we're getting much this
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
Sod, I said.
Sword.
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
And with dot, zod.
Sword.
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
And with dot, zod.
Yeah.
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
And with dot, zod.
Sword.
Without dot, sod.
Sword.
And with dot, zod.
Sword.
What we call without dot?
Sword.
And what we call with dot? Huh?
Sword.
Good kid. What we call without dot?
Sword.
And what we call with dot?
Sword.
Very good. What we call without dot?
Sword.
Very good. And what we call without with dot?
Sword.
Very good. Very good. Very good. What is this? Three dot.
Shield.
Very good. What we call this one? This shape without dot.
Sword.
And what we call this shape with dot?
Sword.
Very good. What is this? Three dot.
Sword.
Three dot. Three dot.
Sword.
Nothing. Look it. Three dots.
Sword.
No, no, Aida. No sword with three dots.
Shield.
Yes. What we call this shape without dot?
Sword.
And what we call this shape?
Sword.
Yes. What we call this man? Three dot.
Shield.
This shape.
Yeah.
What we call? Aida. Aida.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. I am putting my head on.
What we call without dot this shape?
Sword.
Good kid.
Sword.
What we call this shape with dot?
Sword.
Very good. Now read from beginning. One time more. What is this?
Alice.
Yes, man.
Ba.
Okay. This
Da.
man.
Da.
This man.
Sa.
This man.
G.
This man.
Ka.
This man.
Ka.
This man.
What you want to drink?
This one.
Za.
Look it.
So.
Look it. Look it.
Da.
Yes. And this one.
Zal.
This one.
Ra.
Okay.
Sa.
This one without dot, three lines.
Sin.
Very good. This one, three line, three dot top.
Sin.
Very good, girl. Very good. This shape without dot.
Sind.
Look it.
Sin.
Not seen. Is it?
Sind.
Oh. Is it? Sword.
Sod.
And this one with dot.
Zod.
This one.
Sod.
This one.
Zod.
This one.
Zod.
This one.
Zod.
Very good. Very good. This one.
Zod.
This one.
Zod.
This one.
Sod.
This one.
Zod.
What we call this one?
Sod.
This one.
Zod.
Very good. This one.
Sa.
Uh-huh.
Sa. Sa.
Oh. Haida.
Yes.
What is this, girl? Three line, three dot on top. Hmm?
Sod.
Not sword.
She.
Yes. This one.
Seed.
Seen the no, it's sword.
Sod.
What do we call?
Sod.
This one.
Zod.
This one.
Sod.
Three line, three dot on top.
Seen.
Not seen.
Seen.
Yes, this one.
Seed.
Not seen. It's sword.
Sod.
Focus, memorize this shape, please, Aida. Sword.
Sod.
What we call?
Sod.
What we call?
Sod.
What we call?
Sod.
This one.
Zod.
Okay. What is
Zod.
this?
Zod.
What is this?
Zod.
What is this?
Zod.
Oh. Hmm? What we
Seen.
call? Good girl. This one.
Seen. Seen.
Seen the no. Seen the no. This letter name is Sod.
Sod.
Yeah. What do we call?
Sod.
Yes. What do we call?
Sod.
Yes, what we call?
Sword.
What we call?
Sword.
What is next?
Sword. Sword.
This one with dot.
Sword.
Yes. What we call this one?
Sword.
What we call this one?
Sword.
Not sad, girl, not. Zod.
Sword.
With dot is Zod. Without dot is Sod, okay?
Okay.
This shape without dot, Sod. Same shape with dot, Zod.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Please try to memorize it. So,
Okay.
Sod,
Sword.
Zod,
Sword.
Sod without dot,
Sword.
and with dot is Zod.
Sword.
With dot is
Sword.
very good. Without dot,
Sword.
very good. Without dot,
Sword.
without dot,
Sword.
and with dot.
Sword.
Yes, again say without dot,
Sword.
not Zod, girl. Without dot.
Sword.
Good girl. And with dot,
Sword.
without dot,
Sword.
and with dot.
Sword.
Very good, very good. Without dot again say.
Sword.
Okay. And with dot.
Sword. Sword.
Again. Yes, without dot. Sod.
Sword.
Without dot, sod, not zod,
Sword.
girl. And with dot.
Sword.
Yes, again say.
Sword.
With dot.
Sword.
And without dot. Sod.
Sword.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, without dot, what we call?
Sword.
And with dot, what we call?
Sword.
Again, say. Okay, what is this from beginning? This one. Three dot, three line, three dot.
King.
Good girl. This one.
Sword.
Very good. Again, say this one.
Sword.
This one.
King.
Not seen. Three dot, three line, three dot.
King.
Good. This one.
King.
This one.
King.
Ida, sod.
Sword.
This one.
Sword.
Good. This man.
Sin.
Good. And what we call this one?
Sin.
Look it.
Sin.
No.
Zod. Zod.
Sod.
Zod.
Sod. Okay, so
Zod.
this letter is your lesson. Okay, girl?
Okay.
I will listen to you from beginning. Now you can go and call.
Zod. It's time to turn.
Yes, go and call.